bottom line goal of suggestive selling. As a server, when you are approaching a customer, of course you have your goals. What do you want to do actually? This can happen this way as well. Let's take an example. When you simply give the menu to the customer, you speak nothing, you recommend nothing. Ultimately, you will end up having one item or maximum one and a half item ordered by the guest. They would not be encouraged because you, first of all, you did not engage, you did not inform, you have things available, example dish of the day, example special wines came for this season, or anything else, but you did not inform him. Even though he has a buying power, but he is not engaging with you, he is not ordering with you. It is just the way you will open a conversation. You have the goal in your mind, customer doesn't know, but again you go with the objective. You go opening a conversation, you go with suggestion in your mind, you read his mind, accordingly you start to speak to him and do the order taking. So you have a line goal of suggestive selling. The for form long-term relationship, it forms long-term relationship with the constantly satisfied and loyal customers. When you are doing these things with the customer, it is forming a long-time relationship between your outlet, you yourself, and between the customer, because they are getting a good treatment, they are getting good portion, they are getting good food, nicely hygienically prepared, well served, well described. So of course it is a forming of relationship. It means following time when they come, they are at ease with you. You dealt with them properly, whatever they had ordered, you served properly. So it is like you establish a relationship with them. They are constantly satisfied because on every repeat visit, they are getting satisfaction with the service that you do, and they become your loyal customer. How they become loyal customer? Because things that you're doing with them, how you are engaging with them, how you are serving them, how you are listening to them, and then you're using your manners, you're using your skills, you're using your persona, you're using your personality, you're using your ability to interact with them, and they feel you are the right person to give an order or interact. That encourages repeat visits. When all these things happen above, as we discuss, they will always patronize with your place. They will also tell their friends, visitors, that this place is doing amazing service, and they always serve properly. What they say is what they give. So in the social circle of the guest, your name will be spread, because once the meal is over, customer will go back to their offices, they will go back to their social circle, they will go back to their society. They will happen to say, well, we dine in such a place, our experience were excellent, this is what happened to us, this is how we were dealt with. And this is ensuring long term growth, because they will patronizing with you for the long time.